हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपने छोटे से बगीचे में आए हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन हार्वेस्ट. दिस इज आवर very small kitchen garden which my mom has planted. Let's see what we can find it as we're going inside. You can see that there is a sponge grout and it smells so good. It's lovely. बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्मेल करता है ये sponge grout and it's very fresh. And यहाँ पे you can see the jica. This is one of my favorite vegetable. It is so yummy and so refreshing. So ये सब्जियाँ जो है I have harvested this vegetable on summer, but I'm uploading it right now. And let's see, as we can see that lots and lots of jicas are there. And here we can see that a big one. Wow, a very big one. And we can see that more sponge grout is there. It smells so good. Wow, lovely. And let's go and harvest some chilies. Wow, beautiful. More chica. More and more rich grout and the sponge grout. They're also organic and so delicious. And the small one is growing here. And more rich grout, as you can see that, a small one. And more is growing. And this is today's harvest. I am so happy. ये है आज का harvest. Beautiful.